what I always tell PMs is that most of the companies in our industry, they're either going to survive or not based on the amount of repeat work that they get, right? And as PMs, you're the one, it's not the business development people, you're the one getting the repeat work. Because if you build a relationship and deliver a great project and you're honest with that person, they're going to come back, like Lynn's saying, and say, hey, I want to work with you again, right? And so I know we don't always think about ourselves as business developers or doing sales, but in essence, relationships are everything, especially in this industry. And to Lynn's point, don't think it's too early to start building them, right? Even if you just graduated, it doesn't matter. I always tell people from the time you graduate to the time you retire, you should be building your network, building your relationships. And, that's why we say PMs are the cash flow engine of these companies, because they're the ones delivering the work, but also getting more if they do good delivery.
I'm also going to say this. They also lead your employee engagement. They are on the front lines of how your employees perceive working with the firm. Yeah, they've got managers, and the PMs may not be the people managers, but who are they working with more? Designers tend to work with PMs a lot more than their people managers. And so those PMs, how they plan and how they interact with their internal project teams, heavily influence an employee's engagement. And I've seen it where we've had great client-focused PMs, but horrible project leaders internally, and project teams don't want to work with them. And they kind of shy away, and that person gets a bad reputation internally. And it usually ends very poorly for everybody. So focus on your internal team as much as you do your external team as well.